Hello, everyone. Welcome to St. Hilary School, Diamond Hill campus. I'm Gwyneth.
And I'm Chase. Today we'll be discovering the diverse range of subjects offered at our school and interviewing fellow students about their experience.
Let's dive in and discover what makes our school curriculum so engaging and enriching. Here we have the English classes. Let's talk to one of the students about their experience. At St. Hilary's, our English lessons are highly practical. Not only do we use English for all our interactions and communication with our teachers and peers, but we also learn different writing styles, grammar rules, and language skills to effectively master this international language.
That's fantastic. It sounds like you're getting a well-rounded English education. 我们来看看中文课堂吧，让我来访问一位同学，了解他的学习经历吧。
德崔的中文课堂十分有趣，我们用普通话上课，老师运用了许多创意活动，让我们学习普通话和中文知识。这种互动式教学让课堂变得生动有趣。
太棒了！听起来你们在中文课上获得了丰富多彩的学习体验。
Timothy, your turn.
At St. Hilary's, our math lessons are incredibly engaging. While we focus on developing analytical and problem-solving skills, the subject also incorporates hands-on activities that make learning fun. We explore different concepts through interactive exercises and real-world applications.
That sounds like an excellent approach to make math more engaging and relatable.
Wow! Wow! The science classroom is buzzing with activity.
Science lessons at St. Hilary are truly exciting. We follow an inquiry-based approach when we explore and find answers using experiments, rather than relying solely on textbooks and teachers. This hand-on method allows us to discover scientific knowledge and develop a scientific mindset. Additionally, we learn coding, STEM, and AI concepts, equipping us with essential skills for the future. That's amazing! It sounds like you're getting a well-rounded and practical science education.
让我们来看看常识课吧。
德税的常识课让我们全面了解香港及内地人民和社会知识。通过这门课程，我们能够深入认识我们所身处的这个城市，并学习到各种与生活密切相关的知识。
这门课程听起来非常实用，能够帮助你们更好地融入社会。
Wow, what an incredible journey we've had! Exploring the diverse subjects offered at St. Hilary School, Diamond Hill campus.
Absolutely, Chase. From the practical English lessons to the engaging Chinese and math classes and the hands-on science and general studies curricula, our school truly offers a well-rounded and enriching learning experience.
I couldn't agree more. St. Hilary School Diamond Hill campus is an exceptional place for students to grow and thrive academically while developing essential life skills.
Thank you all for joining us on this exciting exploration. See you next time.
Goodbye.